Hello friends, in today's video, we will talk about how to grow flowers of multiple colors on a single hibiscus plant. If you have not seen a plant with flowers of different colors before, don't be surprised. It's absolutely possible. I will explain exactly how to do it in this video. Watch the entire video without skipping any parts to get all the information. For this, we will need a native hibiscus plant for the rootstock. The rootstock is the plant onto which we will perform the grafting. The cut on the rootstock should be made exactly as I am demonstrating. The cut should be made only in the bark, not in the woody part. The bark grafting method is best for grafting onto thick rootstock. For this, you can use any sharp blade or cutter that is perfectly clean and free of rust. After making the cut in the bark, you need to take science from different hibiscus plants that produce flowers of different colors. Let's say you want to grow a hibiscus plant with 4 different colored flowers. You would need to take a scion from 4 different hibiscus plants, each bearing flowers of a different color. We will then graft these scions onto a native hibiscus rootstock. After a few months, you will see 4 different colored flowers blooming on a single plant. Now, let's understand why we need to use a native hibiscus as the rootstock. The reason is that native hibiscus plants have a very strong root system, are well adapted to the local environment, and require minimal care. When we graft onto such a hardy rootstock, the resulting plant is less susceptible to diseases, requires less maintenance, and grows faster due to the strong root system. For 100% successful results when grafting during the rainy season. Friends, this is the first update after 2 months, and as you can see, new growth has started in all 4 scions. Friends, if you see any new growth appearing below the grafted portion, remove it immediately. This new growth belongs to the rootstock and we call it a sucker branch. It's very important to remove this as this will allow the grafted branch to grow faster. As I mentioned earlier, if you don't remove the sucker branches, the plant's energy and nutrients that should go to the grafted branch will be diverted to the sucker branches, slowing down the growth of the grafted branch. Therefore, it's crucial to remove these unwanted branches. Do not permanently remove the grafting plastic before 2 months. If you have to open it for any reason, tie it back up again after a short time. In the final update, you saw a single hibiscus plant with flowers of multiple colors blooming on it. Currently, the plant is small, so the flowers of all the colors are not blooming simultaneously, but rather one after another. However, when the plant grows larger and mature, you will see all 4 colors of flowers blooming at the same time. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.